Okay guys, I folded my fabric into two, so I'll be chalking on the wrong side of the fabric. The back measurement I'm working on is 14 inches, so I'll be chalking 7 on fold, and here is my 7 inches. So from that point I'll be chalking on 9 down, and that is gonna serve as my armhole depth and as well my chest line. So I'll be rolling across the line, and from my neckline down to 16 inches is gonna serve as my waist length measurement for the dress I'm making, and the full length of the dress is 37 inches, so I'll be rolling across the line as well, and I'll be adding 1.5 inches as seam. I'm rolling through my lines. Okay, so I'll be connecting my back line down to my armhole length this way, and then I'm going to slope it with my French curve. Okay, my bust is 38 divided by 4 plus 1 inch as seam allowance is, and my waist is 33 divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam. Okay, and my hip is 40 inches divided by 4. It's gonna give me 10 plus 1 inch seam. So I'll go ahead and connect the dots like so. Okay, just like that. It's a A-line dress kind of. So, and for my neckline I'll be marking 3.5 as width of my neckline, and for the depth of the neckline I'll be using 4 inches. So I'll be giving it a curvy kind of shape like so, just to connect the two line dots together. And here I'll be minusing 1 inches shoulder slope. Then I'll go ahead and cut all the chalk lines out. Okay, I'm done cutting the front, and I'll be placing it on the fabric on fold to cut out the back. For the back neckline, I'll be cutting out 10 inches. So I'll go ahead to flip over the front part away so I can get my 10. That's length 10 from the back of my back dress. So watch me as I go about it. Okay, so here is 10 inches. So I'll go ahead to chalk it, then connect it to the back width that I have already chalked. So we go ahead to give it a curvy kind of view for corner shape, whatever you call it. So I'm just shaping it this way down, and I think it's just perfect. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I've gone ahead to cut out the back facing, and here is the front facing as well. So I'm tracing it out and shaping it. So I'll be placing the facing on my dress like so, and then so round. Okay, for the sleeve, I folded my fabric into 4. So I'll go ahead to give it my armhole slope, taking it up to the shoulder, and then cut out the length I want. Okay, for the length of this dress, I want to make it of 23, so I'll be cutting out 24. I'll be folding in 1 inch where my elastic will go in to. So I'll go ahead and cut it out and then open up this part. So I also have 2 pieces of sleeve. Okay guys, so here is it. So I'll be folding this part this way to pass in my elastic. So I'll take it to my machine and stitch it. And here is the rope for the design at the back. It's 2 inch width and to my desirable length. Okay guys, so I have this piece of fabric that I've used and remained. So I'll go ahead to cut the plain part so I can use it for the neckline gathers. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent and you are yet to like or subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment and share. Thank you. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead to join the shoulder together, and I've gone ahead as well to gather the plain fabric for the neckline design. So I'll go ahead to pin it down to my fabric. I'm making sure it is well arranged to the neckline, and if it's not enough, so I can loosen the gathers, or if it's too loose, so I can tighten the gathers. Okay guys, so here is the facing. I've joined it at the shoulder as well, and I'm placing it right side facing the dress. So I'll go ahead to stitch it down, but before I do that, here is the back design. So I will place it to my fabric and stitch it as well, then join the sleeve and sew it round and do the finishing. So here is the result. I hope you like it and you have enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye.